So hey everybody, just popping in with a little update because I actually reopened my Etsy shop. So I think I first opened it up in 2009 or something, and then because I moved to another country it closed down, and now I am so happy I'm going to start offering these for sale. So if anyone's interested, then I'm going to be posting into my Etsy shop every day, adding new things and adding some of my old artwork as well that used to be in there back into the shop. So I'm just going to go slowly and build it all up. And if there's anything you guys want to see in there, then just let me know. But I just posted, and I'll put the link, it's just louisegale.etsy.com. And yeah, so I just posted up that I'd done the two G's here, and I've been putting them in these little cello packets just to protect them. But here are the two G's, and I just love how they shimmer in the light. And I thought I'd give you guys a little peek into the H, because I finished the H as well. So here is the one which is the fancy font. You're probably getting a lot of glare actually from these plastic sheets, but I don't want to get my fingerprints over everything. And here is the classic font, and I love painting these. I use the wet on wet watercolor technique to paint these hydrangeas. And I am getting there, but I've just done a little bit more on the actual alphabet sheets themselves, because these are going to be just to show people what the different letters look like when I start offering the botanical mandalas as well. So I feel like I'm going quite slow with this project, but I'm really enjoying going through the letters and thinking about, I guess, offering my art for sale again through an online shop. So it's really interesting, isn't it, when you kind of start going back to things you used to do years ago, like 20 years ago, 15 years ago, however long ago it was. So yeah, so if you want to take a look, there's not very much in there at the moment. It's just starting. Again, it's slow and steady. And yeah, I hope to have a lot of things in there in the next couple of months. And yeah, this will be hopefully finished by next week, and that will be really cool. And yeah, so I'm working on, so I've done the H, which will go in over the weekend, and then I've got I and J, which I'm working on this weekend. I've already done most of the design, so I'll be adding the gold and everything over the weekend, so I will show you those Monday, Tuesday maybe. And yeah, we're almost kind of halfway through. And yeah, so thanks again for following along with me. And I've got so many ideas of how I would kind of use some of the letters I've been creating. But, you know, I'm terrible. I always try and, you know, I kind of speed ahead a little bit. So I just need to try and stay focused on the project at hand. And the weather's fantastic here in England at the moment. And I've been tending to my studio garden as well. I've been picking about 10 to 20 tomatoes every day. So I've been making Italian kind of pasta sauce with those. And I'm getting ready to plant some winter veggies as well, like cauliflower, carrots and beetroot as well. So there's a little bit of art going on, a little bit of gardening, and I'm enjoying being outside. And I hope you are enjoying your summer holidays as well. Let me know what you're up to. I would love to know. And yeah, thanks again everyone, and I will speak to you soon. Have a great weekend. Bye.